In today's fast-paced world, achieving fitness goals can often seem overwhelming. However, the most effective strategy for maximizing results is through full-body workouts. These routines engage multiple muscle groups, simultaneously allowing you to burn more calories, both during and after your workout. This phenomenon, known as the afterburn effect, occurs as your body continues to consume energy to recover from intense exercise and build muscle. That's why full-body workouts have become the go-to method for anyone looking to build muscle while losing fat. The structured full-body routine we recommend is designed for flexibility and efficiency, making it suitable for beginners and fitness enthusiasts alike. Incorporating compound movements like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses ensures the workout targets major muscle groups, leading to effective strength gains and calorie burning. Additionally, adding in accessory work and high-intensity finishers keeps your heart rate elevated, further boosting the fat-burning process. This combination ensures that you're not just working hard, but also working smart, optimizing your time in the gym by delivering substantial results with fewer weekly sessions. Success with any workout hinges on consistency and proper technique. Start by focusing on form with lighter weights, allowing your body to adapt before progressively increasing the load. Complement your workouts with a balanced diet rich in protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates to fuel your body for performance and recovery. Remember, the transformation journey requires patience and dedication, so stay committed to your routine. With this full-body regimen tailored for 2025, you'll experience the most effective strategy for sculpting your body while shedding unwanted fat. Dive into this new era of fitness and watch your body evolve into a stronger and leaner version of itself.